friends, welcome to Just Home Samaiyal. Today we will be seeing how to make KFC style fried chicken at home. We can do this with ingredients we can get it easily. Let's start. First we have to marinate. I have taken 1 kg of chicken, bigger piece. Wash it and marinate with pepper and salt. I'm using white pepper first. If you have black pepper, you can use it too. I'm using both the peppers, white and black, along with salt. I'll put little bit of black pepper, but I prefer to use white pepper for this fried chicken. Okay, add lime juice to this. Okay, done. Then we have to add milk to this. I have already boiled and cooled the milk to room temperature. I'm adding milk so that all the chicken pieces totally immerse on it. Okay, make sure all the juices and the spices gets into the chicken properly, so we can marinate minimum for 1 hour. If it is possible for you to soak it and marinate it for overnight, keep it in the refrigerator and you can use it the next day. Okay, make sure that all chicken pieces are completely in milk. Cover it and keep it aside. And I'm going to use all-purpose flour for this. I'm taking 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. If you want more, we can use it later, because this is going to be coated on this, so we can't correctly say how much it will take. For this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of starch. I have taken cornstarch to it, and salt to this dry flour, the normal salt and the black salt. You can use only normal salt if you don't have black salt. Again, black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder and red chili powder. And I'm going to use dry mixed herbs. I'm using oregano, rosemary and basil to it. Mix it well. Make sure you add enough spices and salt to taste. Add little bit of turmeric powder to it. Little bit is enough. That's it. Mix all these ingredients and keep it aside. If you don't have garlic powder, you can use ginger garlic paste to the the wet ingredients along with the milk, but I'm using the powder, so I'm using it in the dry powder. Okay, now it's more than 1.5 hours now. It is completely marinated. The milk is completely, it has the chicken has taken the full spices into it. So I'm going to take 1 piece, take out the extra milk and put it in the dry flour. Make sure the chicken is coated well with the dry flour. Make sure it gets into the chicken properly. Then take a bowl of water, room temperature water. Just put this chicken piece into it. Just keep it for 4 to 5 seconds. Take it out. Don't wash it, just put it and take it out immediately after 4-5 seconds, and coat it well with the dry flour again. See, actually we have taken it from the milk once and coated with dry flour, then in water and coated it with dry flour. It's 2 times done. If you want it little more, make it 1 more time. So in total we have done it for 3 times, like 1 time in milk and 2 times in water. And make sure not to put more than 4 to 5 seconds in water. Take it immediately. Now take out the water, put it in the dry flour, then coat it properly. That's it. Also make a note that don't do it more than 2 to 3 times. Then you will get the outer layer thick and you will not have the chicken taste. So yeah, it's ready now. Keep it in a plate. I have done it for all the pieces. You can see the pieces are bigger in size. It will be easy for you to make it when it is bigger in size. You have to keep the oil at very high temperature. Once it is heated, make sure you have reduced the flame to low. Then put the chicken. The chicken has to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, this is done. The first 2 pieces are done. Don't overcrowd the chicken in the pan with oil. So just put 2 pieces and do it. So it should have enough space for it to cook. I'm putting the next 2 pieces into the oil. Make sure you cook it in low flame. So every time when you start cooking, make sure the oil is hot, but it has to be cooked in very low flame, the minimum flame. Yes, it's done. As we have coated twice in water and once in milk, you can see the outer layer is very crispy, and it's very easy to do it also. If you can find the dry herbs, then it's very easy to do it. Other things we get it at home very easily. We keep all the other ingredients at home all the time. That's it. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samaiyal. Thank you.